Hey, yo, good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday. Welcome back to the channel. And so I got a bit of information for you guys regarding Sprint. Now, this is kind of crazy because we know that Sprint is being absorbed by T-Mobile. Since the judge approved it and the AGs are not appealing the decision. However, you wouldn't think that Sprint would do some sort of deal going on right now, and it's not really a deal that has an end date. But Sprint has the Kickstarter plan, which you guys already know of, $35, unlimited talk, text, and data. Okay, now Sprint has lowered that by $10 as a deal in Best Buy. Okay, so you have to get this through Best Buy to get the Sprint Kickstarter plan for $25 a month. Unlimited talk, text, and data. The stipulation, again, it's only through Best Buy. You have to buy an unlocked device or a Sprint branded device at full price, or you can bring your own compatible device for Sprint's network. If you do that, you sign up at Best Buy, you can get the Kickstarter plan for only $25 a month. That's actually kind of not bad. Now, of course, big questions to ask here is how is this going to impact you when Sprint is being absorbed by T-Mobile and eventually will be absorbed by T-Mobile. Will T-Mobile honor the Kickstarter plans going forward for any customer on Sprint who is going to be migrated over to T-Mobile? And yeah, that's the question that begs. Now, from what I've read, it doesn't say anything about T-Mobile having to honor that. So yeah, it's really weird how it goes. Okay, so yeah, you have the unlimited Kickstarter plan from Sprint. Taxes, fees, surcharges cost extra and may be applied as follows. So it's not flat rate $25. This article here pretty much kind of goes down on it. So it pretty much tells you guys Sprint surcharges, including Universal Service Fund charges, up to 20.1%, varies quarterly, up to $2.50 administrative fees, and 40 cents for a regular line a month, and the fees by area approximately by 5% to 25%. Activation fee up to $30 per line may also be charged. That's kind of weird. Okay, so the plan itself is unlimited talk, text, and 4G LTE data. Video streaming limited to 480p, which is DVD quality. Music streaming limited to 500 kilobits per second. Gaming streams limited up to 2 megabits per second, and no mobile hotspot with this plan. So initially to start it up, yes, you're going to be paying a little bit of fees and surcharges on top of that. So they said like a $30 activation fee with $25. That already makes that your first sign up bill is going to be like $50 something plus those fees and taxes that vary by your state. Yeah, you could be looking at starting up the plan. I would say bring a hundo bill with you, basically. Bring a $100 bill with you, because you just don't know. You just don't know. I mean, if you have your own device, if you don't have your own device and you have to actually buy one, well, then that's going to cost you a little bit extra. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video of Sprint's Kickstarter plan being at $25, but only at Best Buy, okay? That is the catch. You have to get this at Best Buy. If you go to a Sprint store, it's going to be $35. And then also on top of that, you really want to ask those questions when you're signing up. How is this going to impact you? Because it does not say anything about will T-Mobile honor this in the future, since we already know about the absorption of Sprint. So, it's something that I thought maybe they should have mentioned for those people signing up. They're kind of crazy. But yeah, definitely, I would say to anyone out there, ask those questions. Because, yeah, you want to definitely know. You don't want to get side blinded and get this plan, go to T-Mobile, and then they completely throw you off onto something else completely different that is not the reason why you signed up with the Kickstarter plan in the first place, right? Obviously, you signed up with the Kickstarter plan is to get all these benefits here of unlimited talk, text, and data and those things, and pay only $25 a month on a bill, plus taxes, fees, and surcharges. But still yet, paying that minimum amount to have a plan that's going to give you unlimited. So anyways, guys, yeah, that's it. Leave your thoughts in the comment section of the video. Smash that like button if you guys enjoyed today's videos, and if you just subscribed, really appreciate that. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload another video. And that's it for right now, guys. As always, aloha.